Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to listen music together on Spotify. Follow these easy steps to easily share your Spotify musics with other to listen together. Go ahead and launch Spotify app on your phone and make sure to sign into your Spotify account. Now play a music, or you can use this search icon to search for a specific music to play. Okay, once you are in the music page, here at the bottom left you will find this share icon. Just tap on share and here make sure your friends or your other device are connected to the same network, and then here you will find the list of all networks devices. Now all you have to need to listen the specific music with other, just tap on the device and the device will be connected, and this is how we can listen Spotify music together. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.